right, Kevin, what are you here to do today?
Go jump.
Jump out of
free fall.
There you go, out of a perfectly good airplane. Whose idea was this?
My son's.
Your son's?
But I thought it was an awesome idea.
Yeah?
Like, why haven't I done this?
Sounds fun. We're gonna take you up to 10,000 feet, throw you out of a perfectly good airplane.
I always swore I'd never get out of a perfectly good airplane.
Let's do it today.
Oh.
See you up there.
Thanks. GoPro?
Alright, you ready? Do it. Alright, dude, how was it?
Awesome, man. That was awesome. You guys do an awesome job.
Yeah, we appreciate that.
Highly recommend you if I get a chance.
Fuck yeah, what was your favorite part?
What was the best part?
Yeah,
free fall.
Best part. Free fall?
Yeah, no doubt. That was too short.
Yeah.
But the flying was fun too. That was kind of cool.
There you go.
Watching how you figured out how to get positioned for landing and everything.
A little different than the plane,
awesome.
huh?
It is. It is, but it isn't. I mean, whatever machine you're flying, you got to kind of figure it out.
It all does transfer over.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Perfect. I appreciate that.
Oh yeah, you gonna come out and do it again?
Pilots too? Are you already pilots or?
I want to.
Do it, man.
Have money.
It won't be the same. Yeah, like this. It takes time and money, no doubt. But cool.
Hell yeah, dude.
Thank you.
Appreciate
it very much.